Some of the biggest meme coins in the market are being launched on Pump.Fun. Here in today's video, I'm going to explain exactly how to use Pump.Fun to your full advantage. There are some massive coins listing. You can actually get into these coin listings early. I'm even going to show you how you can super easily start your own coin on Pump.Fun. This is one of the biggest platforms right now for actually trading some different meme coins. I'm even going to go over one of the Solana trading bots that I actually use specifically for Pump.Fun. Right here on Pump.Fun, here is the home screen. You can see, basically, if we turn on animations, this is what you're going to see when you first come onto the page. It's basically fully just going crazy. The first thing that I do is turn off these animations. I don't want to be seeing these crazy animations coming up. Next thing I do actually want to do, you can see you can sort by bump order, last reply, last count, market cap, and creation time. So I actually want to go by creation time. I want to be looking at the latest coins that are actually launching. See all the latest coins. See this one right here, Ariana Grande. Then we have Poe, we have Hat. Then we have Andrew Tate. Then we have another Andrew Tate. Then we're even seeing something about Roaring Kitty because he's going big. So Dogecoin, even seeing Tate and a Pepe. So we see what the biggest narratives are right now in crypto. Biggest thing that we can see here is the market cap. When a coin first launches on Pump.Fun, it basically launches at a $5,000 market cap. You can see all these first coins right here, $5,000, $5,000, $5,000, $5,000 market cap. You do need to understand that a lot of these coins are not going to go anywhere. There is a lot of these coins that will actually go to zero, but there are some of these coins do have some major potential. If you sort by market cap, you can see, look, there are some coins up major market caps right here. But when we scroll down, you can see very quickly, we're getting to some very small market cap. This is a $5 million market cap coin. Very quickly, we're out of the millions. We can see that there is a lot of potential on Pump.Fun. A lot of these cat meme coins doing really well. Something to do with a pet. Pepe is doing really well. Even we're seeing things about Trump, Dogecoin, and other even memes here about Biden, Andrew Tate. Even Ansem has been going really big lately. Even Roaring Kitty has been going absolutely crazy. So we can see that there is some major opportunity here. So again, really first thing we want to do is click on creation. See all of the latest coins that are actually launching right now here, actually launching in the market. We see just in the last few minutes, there's already been so many coins that have already launched. There's literally hundreds to thousands, hundreds of thousands of coins being launched every single day. See, look, we were just looking at Ariana Grande and look at how many coins have already launched. And literally, if we just refresh the page, we're instantly going to see so many more coins launch. To actually just deep dive into one of the big things that you do see is if the market cap actually passes into about 10,000, that's when it begins to run. You sort of need to push into that $10,000 range, sort of doubling what the initial given market cap is, especially when you're basically just launching a $5 million market cap. So here, what we'll actually do is we'll click on one of these coins. Actually scroll down. Let's just click on a completely random coin. The first thing you will notice is the charting platform really is not going to be any good. It's really not going to be any good to actually see here. We can only go to a 1 minute chart. We can't even break down to a 30-second or a 1 second chart to really see the price action that's happening. Main thing that we can see here is the market cap. This is always going to be updated. You'll see. Basically, you want to be looking to get in at the market cap level. When we're looking at a $6,000 market cap level, obviously when it moves to a $12,000 market cap level, that's when we see a double in price. One thing that we can see on the right, you can actually get in. So you can actually easily get in with Solana. You can actually get right in with the actually particular token. I'm not sure why you'd want to do that, but here, you easily get in with Solana. You can simply place the trade. You can see they've got a Twitter, Telegram, and website, which is actually good to see. A lot of these Pump.Fun don't even have a Twitter, Telegram, or website. So we can actually come over here and let's just quickly have a look at it. No reason why we can't. So let's just quickly load the website and see exactly what's happening here. So here we have the website. You can even see, it does seem quite basic, but actually just going on right now, it's actually available on the Google Play. So, okay, this seems interesting. This actually looks like a lot more than a lot of these other platforms actually coming out with. This could be super interesting. Definitely want to keep our eye on it. Even just having a basic website, Twitter, and Telegram is going to be a lot more than some of these other coins have. Next thing that we can look at is this bonding curve process. When the market cap actually reaches 70,000, all the liquidity from the bonding curve would be deposited into Radium and burned. And it's basically instantly then listed on Dex Screener after that. So one of the big things that we can see is if we can move from this initial $5,000 market cap up to the $70,000 market cap, which is more than a 10x in the market. So it's a major opportunity if you can get in really early, get in at a 5 or 10 million, get in at a $5 or $10,000 market cap, and look to get out even before you list on Radium. Basically a 5 to 7x extremely quickly. So you can see what actually happens is a lot of these trades will get front run. Whereas before we actually hit the deck screen, a lot of people are going to be selling out at the $60,000 market cap level because they're not expecting the market cap to actually break above this level. So that is extremely important and is going to go big. If we can get a breakthrough this $70,000 level, that's when you do see those coins actually can pump to the $200,000, $300,000, $500,000 market cap. One thing that you will see after that is they will have a bit of a dump. Usually what happens is once you actually have the launch here, you get a continued pump, then you actually continue down even well below this initial actual level. So next thing that we can't even focus on here is the threads. You can see all the people actually posting right here. You can actually simply post a reply, put a comment in, and actually just paste it straight here. What we'll be seeing is there's a lot of actually replies and a lot of threads actually coming through here. A lot of people actually talking about the particular coin, actually posting. When you see a coin that's actually doing really well, you'll see that there's a lot of replies here, a lot of people talking back and forth. So you can see the community actually going ahead. One thing that we even can see is actually tracking all the buys and the sells. So we can even see there was a wallet right here that came in, bought actually 0.2411 and then came in and sold the exact same amount. So basically making no profit on one particular trade, but you'd actually be able to filter and could see all of the particular trades. Even this one, Pandora Sol coming in for 4 Sol, selling out for 4 Sol. Looks like there is no token anymore. Basically, the actual owner bought in for 4 and now sold out for 4. Simply move on to the next one. So let's look at a new coin, for example. Here, you can even see all the threads. Let's see a lot of people just posting right here. Whales, let's go, group waiting. And you just see, this is the type of action you want to be seeing when there's an initial coin launching. We'll be seeing a lot of people jumping on the back, putting a lot of replies in. That's just showing that there is some type of community behind this coin. Again, even track the trades. You can see some of these traders. Let's actually see, can we track some of these traders and see how they're actually doing? You can even see wall here, he bought in. Let's actually see if he can track his sell. So you can even track a lot of these trades. And you see right here, this trader came in for 0.18 Sol, and he actually then sold out on this trade 0.1, so he made 0.031 Sol on this particular trade. You actually track all of these traders right here. This trader came in 0.4901, actually sold out for a very tiny amount of Sol. So a lot of these spots actually trying to come into the market, get in really quickly, and then quickly get out. And track even here, this was a buy 0.004, and right here he sold for 0.0432. It's making it very small. So you can actually track a lot of these wallets and potentially go in here, track all of their buys, all of their sells. You can see the coins held, coins created, followers, and following. It's very simple, very easy. You can track even some of these traders right here. The next thing that we can see right here is the holder distribution. We can see the bonding curve right here and all of the particular holders, even the developer right here. So we want to be tracking even the particular developer's wallet. See King of the Hill progress 66%, dethroned the current king at a $33,000 market cap. It's really tracking all of the top 20 holders and all of the distribution here. When we actually go on Pump.Fun, it's super easy to create a coin, and you can see why so many coins are actually being created. When you actually click right here, start a new coin, literally simply put in the name, put in the ticker, put in the description, you add in an image, and it literally, look at the cost of deployment, 0.02 Sol. Absolutely crazy amounts to completely launch your own token. So 0.02 Sol, so cheap and so easy. What a lot of people actually do when they're launching their token is you actually get to choose how much you're going to enter with here. Whoa, you can see a lot of threads on this new coin. Let's come over to the trade section and we'll actually track the first trade right here. Let's go all the way down and see the complete first trade in the market. We can actually see the developer wallet, and we can see exactly how much he actually came into the market for. So let's go across to the last page right here. Went a little bit too far, and we'll be able to track his wallet right here. So scroll all the way down and we'll see where his wallet is. We'll go one more across. And right here, the first buyer right here came in for 1 Solana. That was the developer right here. 1 Solana was the initial buy. So you can choose to buy in for 5 Solana, 6 Solana. You can see you've got 1 Solana right here, and it was given 34 million tokens. A lot of people actually came in to buy. Even this trader came in really quickly, bought in for 2.29 Sol, and super quickly sold for 2.4 Sol. It's basically made 0.1 Sol. in literally less than a couple of seconds. And again, you'd be able to track all of these traders. You can see this trader bought in 0.63, sold out for 0.61. So he actually made a small loss on this particular trade. A lot of people trying to take advantage of these newest coins launching. They instantly just come in, and as soon as they detect even a small profit, they just get out of the market, and they're consistently doing this in and out. So let me now show you exactly how you could place a trade on the particular coin. Let's say this was a coin that you were super interested in. So here, to trade on Pump.Fun, I actually use this bot, Pump.Fun, the Pump.Fun bot. Now make sure to actually use the link in this video description, because there are a lot of scams out there. So be very, very careful. There are a lot of scams out there. You don't want to be scammed. Make sure to use the link in the video description. I'm going to show you live exactly how to use. So you can see once you click on, you right through here and you actually start, and you can simply and easily actually straight get some Solana into your account, and then simply just click buy. Click on buy, and you want to find the particular coin that you're interested in. All you need to do, come over to the contract address, come over to the page, and you can see this right here. You just want to copy that all the way from the start. That is the address. We'll come over right here into Telegram, click on the buy, we paste that in. You can see it says to buy a token, just paste the token address or paste a Pump.Fun URL. So you just paste the URL in, and look, line, just a line. We've got the exact project right here, $14,000 market cap. You even see $14,000 market cap. And then we can just simply buy. You just click buy for one sol, and you're instantly in. It's that easy and that simple to actually get into these Pump.Fun trades and Pump.Fun meme coins. A lot of the time when you're actually placing a trade on the platform, it's very, very slow. It's very, very tedious. It's not as easy as simply just copying overall, pasting it over here and just clicking buy. And you can change all of the buys that you want. You'll be able to go to the settings, change this to 0.5 sol, even change it to 10 sol, change it to your particular trading strategy. So very, very easy here with this Pump.Fun bot. Makes it very, very easy. You can even see copy trading, sniping, fresh mints, king of the hills, radiant pools, Telegram. You can even check their documents. Wallet's really, really easy. Even have their rescue bots, and again, you can change all of their settings. Great, fantastic bot to actually be using for Pump.Fun. And when I'm particularly trading any coins on Pump.Fun, here I'm using Pump.Bill, the Pump.Fun bot. Again, I'll leave the link in the video description. So you can see a lot of these coins really are having this major pump and dump. They do run really, really quickly, basically for a couple of hours, 3, 4, 5 hours. And then that's when they're going to start to get their dump off in the market. Really basically want to be taking advantage of this major and super quick hype that happens behind the coin, especially when you're getting a lot of bots, especially when you got a lot of people just looking at the new tokens. A lot of people are a couple of hours after the tokens have launched, they've already moved on to another token. They've already moved on to another narrative. They're not interested. But again, it's good to see that these types of coins, you see that the threads are going crazy, and a lot of people are actually talking, replying to each other, actually talking about memes, talking about particular things in crypto. That's when you want to be seeing a lot of actual potential. And there we have it, an overview here for Pump.Fun. Super easy to even start your own coin, super easy to get into some of the latest and biggest cryptocurrency meme coins that are launching. Even you see all these ones around Roaring Kitty, Andrew Tate, really hitting it big right now. Want to be finding those that are actually trending in the market to take advantage of this massive hype around cryptocurrencies and meme coins that's happening right now. Make sure to check out my meme coin mastery in this video description, where I explain everything to take advantage of this current meme coin hype. You're only going to have the next 6 to 9 months to take advantage of this big crypto hype. So I hope you are strapped in and are ready to take advantage of this hype and jump on the back of the biggest cryptocurrency bull run that we're going to see in a long time. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell to stay up to date with all of the latest YouTube videos, and I'll see you in the next video.